I have a resaw contest, and one of the criteria is surface finish with a standard carbon blade. Saw's on a VFD. I'm running the blade backwards at approximately 5 Hz. So we're going to correct the set. You want to wait for it to spark out, and that'll put the teeth into a perfect setting. Sorry for the noise, but I'm going to do a series of resaw tests. Thanks for watching. So if you don't have a VFD, just turn your blade inside out and upside down and use the grinding technique. So here is the surface quality of the standard blade without using that technique. So I'll cut a new one. As you can see, it hasn't affected the drift at all. I was very careful. Let's look at that surface quality. Slightly improved, I would say. Anyway, step 2 of the competition will be complete thickness variation. So I'll work on some things for that. Thanks for watching.